That's why that shoe's not spinning.
Yeah, exactly. That's why it's
What?
not spinning.
Oh,
That's too heavy.
maybe.
Yeah.
Too heavy. They use too much glue.
I can't believe how, like the tongue, how it was so obvious that it was, dude. I was like, well, those are awesome. What are those? I'm like, dude, come on, man.
What is it?
I mean, I'm
supposed to be,
embarrassed.
Tiffany lobsters.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're embarrassed for what?
First off, I got real shit, dude. And for someone to be excited about
This
these,
guy pays some serious money, and then you go and buy one of these.
yeah, and I'm getting fucking hops for this. Nah, man.